Assalamualaikum students, I am Maria from Maryland High School and I am your teacher of SST. Today we will learn chapter unit number 2, lesson number 5, rules for staying and healthy and safe. Students, your chapter lesson number 5 is about rules for staying healthy and safe. Rules, how we become healthy, how we keep ourselves safe and healthy. What are the things that protect us for germs, or how we can save ourselves? Here are some things, here are some rules that you can adopt and you become a healthy. First one is, students, look at the picture. What are you doing? Yes, he is bathing. The first rule is about have a bath. Have a bath or shower every day. Every day means daily. First rule is that we have to take bath daily, that they keep us healthy. If we take a bath daily, we can save from lot of germs. We looks fresh. So you have to take bath daily. The second rule is that, let's look at the pictures. What are they doing? Yes, she is combing her hairs and she is brush her teeth. The second rule is comb your hair and brush your teeth. Second rule is that comb your hair properly and brush your teeth daily. You have to brush your teeth twice a day. First, when you wake up at morning, brush your teeth firstly. Secondly, before going to bed at night, brush your teeth. In this way, you have to keep your teeth healthy. You protect your teeth from a lot of germs, from cavities. So you must have to brush your teeth daily. Next rule is, look at the picture. What are we doing? Yes, he is washing his hand. The third rule is, wash your hand before and after meal, and wash your hand after using washroom. The next rule is, wash your hands before and after meal. When you eat something, you must wash your hands, and after eating something, you must wash your hands. In this way, students, you know, there are a lot of germs. There are so many germs in our hands. If you not wash your hand, the germs enter in your mouth and you become sick. You have any disease, you have a fever or you have a flu, any disease, you become sick. So you must wash your hands after and before eating something. And next, when you use washroom, you must wash your hands with soap or any hand wash, because the washroom contains so many germs on it that they make you sick or ill. So you have to wash your hands after and before meal. And students, next one is, look at the picture. What is she doing? Yes, she cut the nails of a baby. It means the next rule is cut your nails. Cut your nails and clean them. Students, when your nails become bigger and look untidy, you have to cut your nails and clean them, because your nails, if you have a big nail, your nails contains a lot of dust particles. If you eat something, these particles, these germs enter in your mouth and you become sick. If you become sick, you have a belly pain or you have a flu, so you have to cut your nails and clean them, and also clean your ears. After bathing, use cotton bud to clean your ear. If you clean your ear properly, you can hear properly. If you don't clean your ear, you can't hear properly. The next one, the last rule is clean your nose. Students, make sure you have to use tissue papers or handkerchief to clean your nose. If you have a flu and you are sneezing, continuously you are sneezing, the other person will be affected. If you use tissue papers or handkerchief, the other person is not affected. So you must use tissue papers or handkerchief to clean your nose. These are the following rules that make us healthy and safe. If you follow these rules, you become healthy, you become fresh, you become safe if you follow these. Students, look at the picture. What are he doing? Yes, very good. He is itching in his hair. Why he is itching in his hair? Because he don't take a bath daily. So he have a dandruff, maybe he have a lysis in her hairs, so he is itching. If you don't take a bath daily, you have also dandruff or lysis in your hairs and you have to start itching. So you should take a bath daily. Students, now look at this picture. What is she doing? What is she doing? Yes, very good. She has a pain in her belly. Why she has a pain in her belly? Is she eating fast food? She eating a food without washing her hand. She don't wash hand, and in this way she has a pain in her belly. You have to wash your hand before and after meal, and after using the washroom you must wash your hand with soap or with hand wash. Students, today we have learned about rules for staying healthy and safe. Here are some rules that we adopt and become healthy and safe. I hope you will enjoy the lecture. Take care.